Hey, Shad here with Speed Addicts, the fastest growing gear site on the web, and today we're going to uncrate the Antigravity Lithium Ion AT7B. What's up, Speed Addicts fan? Before we jump in and tell you about another anti-gravity battery, do us a favor, subscribe to that Speed Addicts channel. It's only going to take you a click, then you're up to date. You're going to be educated and get the first look at all the latest parts and gear coming your way. If you're subscribed, you never have to worry about missing out, so do that. And also, if you'd like to support us here at speedaddicts.com, reward us for all this information we're giving you, all you have to do is shop with us. There's a link in the description below. That'll get you right over to our full selection of anti-gravity batteries. While you're over there, feel free to grab a helmet, grab a tire, whatever you need for your bike. We've got it here at speedaddicts.com. Okay, anti-gravity lithium-ion batteries are some of the most straightforward and affordable upgrades you could throw at your vehicle. It's a big upgrade over a traditional lead-acid battery because it is uber light. It is powerful. It's going to last twice as long as a lead-acid battery, and it has a much longer standby time. So if you don't ride frequently, every time you come out to your bike it's dead, or you're tired of using a trickle charger, these lithium-ion batteries can have a much longer standby time. These are all great reasons to upgrade. Also, you can do it yourself. Just follow the instructions. Very straightforward battery swap here to get over to lithium-ion. The AT7B-BS is going to replace the following OE models here, the Y series models, lead-acid batteries that you're going to see that's listed right on this. This battery fits a variety of bikes, anything from like a DRZ to a Panigale and Bergman scooters, like all sorts of different stuff. When you're trying to make sure you're getting the right one, you could, number one, look in your battery compartment and see if it's one of those part numbers, or go to speedaddicts.com. You're going to have vehicle fitment right there on the page. Or plan C, talk to our rider support team. We've got experts who are paid to help you, so use them. Live chat, phone, email. We can point you in the right direction if you're not sure. Now, Antigravity is a USA company. They're founded by a native Californian, and they're actually headquartered not far from us here in Southern California, which is rad. They're a great company. They stand by their products. They're going to warranty the battery if anything comes up, and we do like to support American companies here. So another cool thing about these anti-gravity batteries is the street-going models like this one have their restart technology. So if you accidentally leave your ignition on, leave that light on, and drain the battery dead, you will have reserve charge in these restart batteries. All you have to do is lift up the seat or wherever your battery compartment is, press this button, and that will unlock the reserve charge to start the vehicle again, so you're not stranded. It's a pretty cool feature. We like the restart a lot. You also notice we have 4 terminals here, so it is ambidextrous. No matter where you're negative and positive are coming out to reach this battery, you will be able to get right into that. And of course, the weight. This thing's only 1.5 pounds, and the comparable lead acid battery would be upwards of 5 pounds. So you get a lot of weight savings right out of the gate. The case size itself is 5.75 by 2.5 by 3 3/4 inch. They give you these little pucks here if you have to shim it out. It's got adhesive on one side and they're foam, so you can block this out however your battery compartment requires. And then they are going to give you terminal hardware here so that you can hook this up. This AT7B has 180 cranking amps, which packs a punch for its weight, 7 amp hours. Again, 1.5 pounds compared to about 6 pounds for a YT7B-BS. Okay. Now, one thing you should know if you're going to switch over to lithium-ion batteries and you haven't had one before, you cannot use a traditional lead-acid charger for a lithium battery. That is a no-no. That will break your battery and cause problems. So unless your old charger specifically says it's capable of charging a lithium battery, then you need to get a new one. But you don't need a trickle charger necessarily for these lithium-ion batteries. If you're going to put your bike away for a few months or several weeks even, you can disconnect the terminal or get a quick disconnect so you don't get any parasitic draw on the battery, and the standby time on these is exceptional, and the overall life should be about double an old school lead acid battery. 3-year warranty from the Antigravity folks. The first year's free replacement. After that is prorated, and this is good for a lot of bikes up to even 1,000 cc's because it's got 180 cranking amps. does it. That covers it. If you want a lightweight, quick, gratifying upgrade that's not going to break the bank for your vehicle, think about a lithium-ion battery from Antigravity next time your battery is due for replacement. If you still have questions, talk to that rider support team. They're waiting for you on the phones, email, and live chat. And that's all I got for you today. We'll see you next time to find out what's in the crate.